Hey, Frenchie lovers. If you've ever had a French Bulldog, you've probably heard that adorable snort they make. But why do French Bulldogs snort? Let's dive in and find out. French Bulldogs are famous for their cute snorts, but it's not just because they're being silly. Their unique snorting sound actually comes from their anatomy. French Bulldogs are brachycephalic, which means they have short, flat faces. This facial structure can make it harder for them to breathe as easily as other dogs, and that's where the snorting comes in. When they breathe, air passes through their compressed nasal passages, often causing that snorting sound. It's totally normal and usually nothing to worry about. Sometimes, French Bulldogs snort when they're excited or playing. It's their way of expressing happiness. If your Frenchie is running around or getting worked up, that snorting sound is just them enjoying the moment. But keep in mind, if the snorting seems excessive, or if your Frenchie is struggling to breathe, it could be a sign of a health issue, like allergies or breathing problems. Because French Bulldogs have narrow airways, they can be prone to breathing difficulties. If your Frenchie's snorting is accompanied by wheezing, coughing, or labored breathing, it's important to consult your vet. So, why do French Bulldogs snort? It's just part of their adorable, unique charm. But remember, if it ever seems abnormal, always check in with your vet. Snorts and all, they're still the cutest companions.